this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to
the Twilight Zone.
His hands. Beautiful. A couple more things I need everyone to hold on to. Always silence. Anyone you care about. And can we hold on to this? Yes.
That's why.
And I forgot the last one, but you'll be fine.
All right.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
You were to pass
I'm gonna put arms up.
Was this the hallway?
Yeah, I walked this right down there. Where's her Mickey doll?
She's holding it under her arm. Wave goodbye to the real world.
198 feet. Oh my god!
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door.
Nightmare. The door is opening once
So this
again.
is supposed to be like we're going sideways in an elevator shaft. You see there's a ladder for the shaft?
You know I'm recording.
Oh.
To discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of imagination,
In the Tower of Terror. Here we go. That was unexpected.
Those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.